Feeling puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. Head out of box decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours. I'll be your Living the Outdoor Life is hosted by Design with Emma, the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, Home by Design with Marilyn, Barbara Daily Rural Life in the Valley, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Jean's Decor and more. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Living the Outdoor Life. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Design with Emma. In today's video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the changes I have made to what I call my living room area. So come along as I show you the changes I've made. Now the changes are to the tables. So I'm going to let you take a look at them, and then I'm going to come back and tell you a little bit about them. I also will be taking you to the den area because I did go in and change those tables also. So I've changed all of the tables here in my outdoor living area. So let's go over to what I call the den, and I'll show you the changes I've made here. Again, I'll let you take a look at it. And then what I'll do, I'll come back and tell you all a little bit about what I've done here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back here into the living area, and I'll tell you the changes I've made here. As you remember, these two spikes I did have over here on my sofa table. I placed one here beside the fountain. The other I have placed on my coffee table with the gold coffee table book, and I brought the little tic-tac-toe over here, and of course I've left the fire pit here. I will come back and give you all a night view if the rain lets me, so you can see the night view of the changes. Now, on the sofa table, what I've done, I've added the large vase with the two candle holders. And these were lanterns from the Jonathan and Drew collection. I have used them before. I just moved them over here and added the large vase with the beautiful orange flower arrangement that I did put together today. Okay, so that is the changes. Willie did go ahead and get the panels up.
for this side. I will take you out and let you see those, but I'll do those with the night view. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit about what I've changed over on the other side. Here, that lantern I added here that was on that sofa table, and I just put it up here. Okay? So let's go over and let me tell you about this area, which is my den. I did change the pillars up. I took the yellow pillars out and added black and white. There's the stools that are gray and white that I pushed under the love seat. I added the clock over here on this table. And of course, we have the little flower arrangement. Now, for my fire pit table, what I've done, I've added the black mirror tray. I left the little black house and the flower, but I did add the bees and the beautiful white vase. So let's look at the table here. On this table, I've added the black chain, the little white tray with a candle, and the white vase. I left the sign that says Simply Blessed. I did add a speaker here on that table. So that is the changes that I have made to this area. I hope I've given you all some ideas when changing up your outdoor living area. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for inviting me to host with her on Living the Outdoor Life. I will be leaving her information and all of the creators who are participating today in Living the Outdoor Life. I also want to thank the design family because, as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I will say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, if you would hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. Because as you well know, we would love to have you. If you would, give me a comment. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the changes I've made to the outdoor living area, tables and pillows. This is Emma. Wait for that night view, guys. So this is the night view. I'm going to let you take a look at it.